Big up Crosses TV.
And Crowsy TV.
Time for Netflix page and
Boss.
watch. Yeah.
I pull Baga TV and I pull diary. You know why I pull Baga TV and I pull diary? I want to know what go on with me and diary. You understand?
Um,
Because I come off of IG and say me done. And me I look but my little girl yesterday to go her prom. And my ace diary
mhm.
just a tear off the ear from my head. So me I wonder what go on with me and diary. The
um,
woman named Safiya, we cow kick her mama back way. After the cow done fuck Safiya mother, the cow kick Safiya mother back way. You understand? And Safiya drop out her mother hole. And I me go for Safiya go for me. I have a list of man when I want to read out. I want to ask Safiya if she remember the man. Yeah. You understand? Hold on, because I say little later, I won't heap of things, yeah? Hold on, let me read the list, yeah? Let me, let me unblock
Baga can
her.
block you already.
Yeah.
Diary can block you already. The man block you
Sophia,
already.
I fuck Sheena and brother. And she see Sheena beard and come out of bathroom and go in the bathroom go suck out Sheena all. Someone know oh Sophia to come bring man game to me. Omar Scottish. You understand? Fuck her on cardboard in a universal. Wayne lots fuck her between two car. The
Jesus.
boy when named Snoop, Kara Vanderveer and left her and 9 man fuck her. You understand? Not nice Kara got Jamaica. You understand? And say him soon come. He might go check when I'm friend them and when not nice come back, she let in the whole of the security guard them at the hotel pan her all. So for your all big. The whole of the security guard them not nice come back and say I fuck Sophia and beat her till him nearly kill her. The boy when he box, how it go? Eh? And she bring man game to me? Eh? Sophia, look later it go nice now blood clot Sophia. You understand? You remember Andrew English, Sophia? The boy from over Queens, eh? The little short boy, when you fuck him, you ask him when be and him in your hole. Him last in
I'm
your
on the
blood clot
last
hole.
clock.
Me say little later, I go, hey, Sophia, remember brown man and him woman beat you? Eh? And when everybody I said, no, brown man, yeah, your woman can't beat her. So, you remember where brown man said, I don't know whether dope here text it for me. Me say little later, Sophia. Text Stacy kick up first, you know. Cause when Stacy don't kick you up, I wait me, I go wake you up. You understand? Little later, me, hey, Stacy says she soon
Bumbo
come back.
clad.
Me can't wait.
A
Little
history,
later, we
a
are tear you
history.
up. Me, I tear you up. You understand? Sophia, me, I bring man game too. Sophia, me, I bring man game too. You hear about one Tony Rere, man, not 10 Tony Rere. You man one Tony Rere and a husband. Eh? You got to Tony, you say Tony Ray tell you say, I call Tony Ray last night. No, what Tony Ray tell me say, you see man want buy a fuck from him. And him telling me say, him tell you say, not even your money could I make him fuck you. You understand? Sophia, my aunt pan you. Sophia, I rank. Sophia, you come trouble down and then you go for Stacy. Oh, you alone bad lucky so. Me never look on Bigfoot later. Me never look on Bigfoot later, cause Bigfoot with the fake glass and the 13 teeth, she have to step aside and open the gate and put you in and lock you back in there. She sent for you. Me sorry. Me can't wait to leave you so. You understand, Sophia? Andrew English said to tell you, say, him want me to tell you personally. You understand? Say him never fuck you. Him lie down upon you and find himself in a tunnel, tunnel hole, Sophia. You understand? Bro man and him woman beat you and him is still with the woman. So fire, bro man need a HIV blood clot test. Pan your baby where you have time. Yes, you the AIDS boy fuck you. And I have my body name for call, but same name. So fire, you're ugly now blood clot. If you have a black cow. I say, so fire, you better come out strong. You better make Foley come help you. Cause you gone over Foley. You gone over Foley. Remember the Batman them rape you? And you gone over Foley. Yeah,
When
my
you put
love,
stuff
me
like
say
on him
she be
life.
over there this morning, my love. You Sophia, right yourself. Right yourself. Yeah, Sheena bread
God.
off. Yeah. Yeah,
I did not
Sheena
see
bread
a
off.
blood clot.
You understand? You say you got a bathroom. You see Sheena in the bathroom. You long out your stiff tongue same time. Lick out the whole of Sheena back the whole back way. And a ball for woman. Me and you later. Yeah? Me and you later. Me pull diary. Me pull candy. Me pull all of them. Yeah. Me pull All of them. Cause later is a movie. Yeah, why you make hope send you for me? Why make hope and send you for me? Why make hope and send you for me? Bowman give me the key and said rub it and scrub it later for me. Yeah. Bowman say you set up on him for hold him. Yeah, and you can't hold him. You understand? You said police pan him for send him home and you can't send him home. How it go? Ain't Safiya? How it go? Me say little later, man. Me I carry you over Ashanti. You understand? Me I carry you, big up yourself, Antoinette. Me I carry you over Ashanti. Yeah? Me I carry you over there, go take out your clothes. So if you forgot, say when you're in a palm tree, you dance with one boy and shit up yourself. Your body loose.
Bumbo
Ain't so
clot.
if you forgot, say you shit up
Bumbo
yourself with a
clot.
pat palm tree. You dance with one boy and shit up yourself.
Oh God.
So fire, more you video yourself and bend down, make them say when you bend down, your foot can't blood clot open. So fire, me must say the boy them fuck you, you know, and lap you and broke you, you know, and make you twist up. Me say me and your blood clot place at Sophia. Sophia so long me I tell you say me no want cuss. Me no jump on young people, you know. Cause me have my daughter, me no want a body, no big woman like my age. Come out, come cuss my daughter, you know. That's why me go and pity them good. You ever see puss children them in a war yet? No care hear them a cuss puss. You ever see puss children them come out yet? No. No care hear me the pan IG a cuss. You ever hear my children them come out in a war yet? Eh? A graduates me deal with. Class of children me deal with Sophia. Me not deal with baga children. Me and you Sophia. Me and you. Go and come back. Go and come back. Yeah. Yeah. You ever see my children them come out yet? Sophia, you ever see my children them come out come kiss say me couldn't cuss yesterday, me don't go touch her yesterday. Cause my little girl that graduated, I was so I go a prom and I was so happy. She graduated from law blood clot school. We're so happy. We are going Upton. Eh? They make Upton take off everything off her and put it on you. Me say little later me I come out Kerry. Little later me I come out. Me I line up the man them. Me I get a train load of motherfucker. We and lots for Sophia between two car. Yeah.
And him
You
carry back
there?
stuff and it can't shake. You have
Omar
to too
scratch
good
When
for
them
some
not
like
doing
that,
something
tell
while I
man.
I
drove
real so
something.
they make sure show you yourself.
No, I really think instead of it too, him say her body tough because she her body injected with injection them. So her body I
Dirty
say she can't shake the
man.
body. I say
Yeah.
blood clot.
Me say Omar Scottish fuck her pan two cardboard and give her when him get up her farm give her $1 and she think it was $100.
Yeah, just
Jesus.
And here on the
No,
down with
so
you
what's
Omar
this
Scottish
grace?
turn. You understand? Me tell her down there so me think say down there so the boy go down there so and walk on the code and come out and gone. So for you get a fuck for $1 pan cardboard. You can't talk to me. So for you know how much is me the America? Me the America 22 years. Who for name on the can 120 area. I said peaches beat me. Let me tell you something, Sophia, where you never know. Ask anybody in a party. Anybody in a party. The uncle woman Tony Ray drop at the party door and pick up at the party door and me. The uncle woman who driving at the front of Tony blood clot wife car is me. The uncle woman who Tony drop off at them yard when dance done is me.
Yeah, ma'am. Baga
mm,
baga baga baga. Him chat
You
so man him chat
understand?
too
So
much.
me
wrap
I
up in
tell
all
you,
the clothes and your
listen
mother
to
jacket.
this. Anybody where you hear a big up themselves, you understand? Say, Tony Ray, Jimmy is a married blood clot. Oh, my, me no want come out and go into the blood clot fullness of that story. Yeah. You understand? At the first, Mr. Tony Ray stand up with a woman in a party, and I know today, here now, right now, he must stand up with that woman in a party. 10 years ago, you never see Tony Ray stand up with nobody in a
Mm-hmm.
party. Everybody know about Dan, them not hear about Dan, them see Dan with Tony Ray. Pay for what? For pay for man who sell drugs. I'm here work blood clot, paycheck to paycheck. Eh? How for pay for a man who is selling blood clot weed and him coke and a paycheck to paycheck me at work? Huh? Eh?
Yeah, you can't. I'm have to give you any man will say drugs. Any
Eh?
drugs, any man will say
How
you
me
have to
for
take
pay
him
for
money.
him going to party and when me know him, he must sell him weed and him not sell bag of weed, him sell pound weed. Party people no for come out and tell the people them, you know. You understand? Only for come out and tell the people them so no never sit to with nobody yet. But me, Dan. Girl have to take up when time girl go to Tony them take up themselves and take picture and put up them selfie. And that Tisha used to do. And she have to take down everything. Yes, Baga TV used to sell drugs. And that Jamaican man do. Baga TV you now go mix me up. That's why I black you know. Can you say you want diary? One is a set to yourself, you know, one is a pair of teacup. You understand? Every time when I come in with Tony Ray, that's 10 years ago, girl. Leave Tony Ray alone. Me send him out there. Me give him name out there. Him give me him name out the road. In the streets. That's why the whole town I call it Tony Ray, Tony Ray, Tony Ray, Tony Ray, Tony Ray. Tony Ray did match with Dan like blood clot, double six domino. Where you have to put a six to it. What wasn't the odds? We did look good together. Why again on the one about Tony Ray? You not ask me. Me gonna answer all the questions them now.
Though the people, remember say what the people don't want to ask you. Hold on there. Let me tell you, I can't answer them one by one. Somebody put here if
We and before me gonna further, me is not the first married
Dave,
woman ever
Dave,
have one man. Me not have one and one heap.
everybody do them thing on the cover. But anyway, then let's skip that. The person say that Dave Lexus put some kick in
Dave
you.
Lexus and me never fight yet. That was a rumor from Erica.
Oh, okay. The other person say Safiya
I'm
say
for
you have to pay for
pay
going
for
to
going to
Tony
Tony
Ray
Ray
party.
party. Only one time I ever pay for going to Tony Ray party. From Tony Ray key party and I went Tony Ray wife did the door and I never me pay. Tony Ray come out and give the girl who pay for me the money for pay going. Me a GII. We not pay for going a party.
Oh, Baga movie crew say, and she
Peaches
say
can't fight, so
Peaches
there's no
beat
way
you.
Peaches can beat me.
And she said, Baga movie crew say, Safiya say the man them frig you and kick you out for Angela
My friend them are
Striker.
not Angela Striker friend them. My friend them and me invite Angela Striker in a GII. And me name GII mama.
Okay.
And me a GII mama. That's why I know so the people them not go party. I be a ear so them live by. If them they know if them not touch a party world them that say who in the front seat and who in the back seat and who get stand up with and who get walk with and who I forgot 3-4 black go meet. Me hear the comments too. Me not explain nothing to none of them. But me only one thing me I say to them, me see if you did know 10 years ago when there was a Dan and there was a Tony, I think it was Dawn is Tony wife. We not pay a GII, we not pay for going on no party where one another keep. That means if me keep a party, Tony not pay for coming. Andy keep a party, me not pay for going, Tony not pay for going, none of we not pay for going. We not have to prove nothing to none about nobody.
It's his mistake. He told him. That's why.
You girl, you asked me at that time if me and my husband was together still. You gonna be a fucky box and nobody don't know. Yeah? You would be a fucky box and nobody don't know. You and your man is together. Can no for una come here for a complain. A complain lady roll on a dog shit. Una suck cocky. I me never suck a cocky yet.
Baga crew asked you say, oh, it start with you and
Oh, it started with
Safiya.
me and
That what me
Safiya. She
want
have
to know. It
open
start with
about
you and
sir.
Safiya.
She have open
Yeah,
about
that's
sir.
what
She
I
me
say.
bring
Upton a
down
bookstore.
open so bad. Open want me now for bring down Safiya. And she walk right in her it.
Yeah, Upton a bookstore for
And she
sure.
walk right in her it. Give her ask if your uncle go read the negative comments.
But them a write too far. Them a do
And
too
my
much right
husband
about
sent
now.
to
The
me from
people in comment a do
Jamaica.
too much. Remember say
And my
Donna
husband
Star, you
sent to
know,
me
and I
from
write too
Jamaica and me
fast.
sent to him.
Them a write too fast, girl. Gifted. They
And
might
me
go too
sent
far.
to
Remember say
him.
Donna Star, you know. Don them say Andrea beat everyone except you. She could not touch. Who is that?
Yeah,
I
the
don't know
right,
who
it
is
has
that.
skipped too fast. It can't be no slow.
Yeah. They them a go too fast, man. Don't take time with comments them no man.
No, I me sent to him. I me file for him. How much money may I get for that interview, yeah? Eh? But fully bad no blood clot. I'm not have to answer no question. More than a little later, Stacy I get around blood clot too. And when me a come, me a tear down. No number no their feet. She come on for my life, you know, cause me and my family, me no problem, you know. Oh, bring her for my life, you know. And the first thing she come for my life, I ask her, you know. I say, what you do pan ya? Eh? What you do pan ya? When you mash up Shana car and turn on a call police and she jump off. She jump off. Big up yourself, Kerry Good way. My love you, it's a good girl. Your body nice.
Oh, Stacy, she go open her page
Yeah.
so I make everybody see what we're going on.
So
She
fire,
gonna
you
open
see
her
like
page for
when you draw
everybody.
out this now. You have to give 40 days and 40 nights. You can't just get yourself. So fire, you have to get there.
You have to rub her because let me say choose a fire. That's why she don't talk to you. So you have to rub
I owe
her.
this man but talk about you never step out of her husband. Girl, your pussy no good, so you have to stay in your husband. I want to exercise my own and try see if I want to keep it. Make
Well,
she
no,
ask me.
so
I want to see the socket can blood clot turn and the bulb now blood clot drop out. What again? What again? She ask me why me
what
have
you
to
say
step out
now?
of my husband. Me never step
Them
out of my
alright, put
husband.
blood
Me
clot for.
always live with my husband.
Don't, don't
No more
where you answer them
put you
people
for
them
no
for?
say.
Not
You
nobody people your
understand?
business.
You want her to know
Just
more see
answer
if the
them.
socket when you put the bulb in the blood clot socket, it still have a light up. Yeah,
Yeah, what
that
a
me just
black
a
they
go
you chat
gear
too
too.
much now. What a black. What a black. Yes, what a black man. You talk too
Right there
much.
so.
Um the Baga movie crew asking what
Me
you
and
and
Colleen
Carlin
have
really have.
nothing. Me and Colleen good. Yesterday she sent
Okay.
over stew peas and rice. Come give me all call.
Bomba clad.
Me and Colleen good. You never should go grocery shopping and send over my stew peas and my rice. Come give me.
And she asked say why Carlin
She never
rub
rub
you
me
on a
yet.
phone
I never
call.
rub her yet. It's not true. Me nah rub her. I know why me nah rub her. Baga baga. She nah rub me. It's when you did make me go to jail. You baga baga. You girl me attack. I'm a beat happy feet. Calling their court from 9 till 12 in the night. So you can't ask me nothing else no about calling.
Boy, me clitoris.
Make sure dislike me and say she did their court. She did their court. If she never come a court now, it's different. You know your friend when you're there jail or when you're there. For the
Yeah.
truth came down,
And when you're sick.
you know you Yeah.
Yes,
You
when
know
you're
your
sick,
friend when you're there at jail,
when,
because when you're there at
and we
jail, your
got,
back
know
is
your real
against
friend.
the wall.
Mhm.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, oh.
Me no want the money for bring down Colleen, because when me did the jail, she was there for me. And as we come out of jail, so she came in one restaurant, and me drink a hot cup of tea, because I never get a hot cup of tea from the night before to the morning. I'm there at jail right for the whole day till 12 o'clock. And she said, come, my friend, we are going to the restaurant, yeah. I'm a drink a
Nice,
hot cup of
nice. That's how I
coffee.
feel live.
I should tell the man for put like a cinnamon in it so I can belch. I'm just a belch, a bep, 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 bep.
Dan, somebody asked you why
Not
you
that,
black
not a
nana
proper.
proper, Dan.
Let me tell you
Oh.
something about me and Nana Papa. It's a Nana Papa. Nana Papa for come tell you, the set of young girls them where me come out a road come see. One of them named Nana Papa. One of them named, one Nana Papa fat girlfriend name again. What she did name again? Melissa. And you have
Melissa.
Melissa Lavish. Yeah. You have the one with name Stacy where I call me about it. Yeah. You have one with name Zara. Yeah. None me left out any of them. And them little young girl who used to be out a road when me a party and me support them and them support me. Me no know Safiya. Them bring so they might Safiya around